In this video, we are going to explain navigating through an LCD screen. The 3D printer we're using is a Prusa Mark III. So the first screen here is just the info screen, which just gives basic information about the 3D printer, extruder temperatures, bed temperatures, time left to print, position of the extruder. Next is the preheat screen. So it has the preheating temperatures for the different types of filament. So depending on the type of filament you're using, you can select it and click the button, and it'll go ahead and the number on the left is the extruder temperature, and the number on the right is the bed temperature. There's also a cool down option, so if you already have it preheated, you can select the cool down to get it back to room temperature. And the last one we're going to talk about is the print from SD, which is a great way to use the 3D printer without it being hooked up to a dedicated computer. You can just put your G code on an SD card and print from there. And the auto load filaments and load filaments we will address in a different video.